Ano load?
What? 5G. What did you change? We're live with R3.
Hello po.
Yeah, ooh, we have a lot.
Happy birthday there!
Huddle.
Hello guys. You're awesome. Thank you. Happy birthday. Hello. Kamusta kayo guys? Do you guys speak Tagalog? English?
German.
German?
Deutsch.
Deutsch.
Ay,
Diba
hindi pa rin.
Hmm?
Meron yung effect.
Ayun.
Asan?
Wala pa rin.
Ayun.
Ayun, may lumabas.
Wala.
Dito lalo.
Hindi. Ayun o, ayun o. Ay!
Oh, the last time, right?
Yeah.
How are you? Guys, we can't hear you. Huh?
Oh,
Huh?
We're learning subtitles.
No,
it's a prank.
It's a prank. Shut up.
he does.
Happy birthday, thank you.
I'm not talking.
Eighth layer. Hi from Bulgaria. Woo! Hello po. Pwede ba akong produkto?
Baka maka-copyright.
Maganda tayo. Non-copyright.
Ghost.
Ghost.
Happy birthday ka.
Thank you po. Ano to?
Happy birthday to...
No. Lithuania.
Oh.
Happy birthday, boss. Sadly, nandito na po ako.
Ngayon patutod tayo.
Ang doktor.
Tapos, happy birthday. Di ka ba mag-ano?
Happy birthday, ano?
Nang,
Hindi mo blow yung ano.
mag-blow ko na ba agad? Kulang pa sila. Let's wait for others. Yes.
Hello from
GA. Where's GA? GA.
Giannis at Picudo.
Grabe, from South Africa.
Kukulaps na siya.
I wanna see you in France. How about in Germany?
Bonjour.
Bonjour, Messi.
Thank you po.
Buddha.
Hello from Brazil.
Where are the Germans?
Rainy.
Nag-remake ka girl. Pwede din ba kami bumalik na? Gusto niyo ba kumain? Do we have lighter?
Whoa, let's light up.
Let's light up the light. Meron ba?
Oh, lighter?
Ah. Wala po kasi nasa
Lighter.
Gusto ng lighter. Meron ba kasama?
Oh no!
Wait.
Why?
Kailangan lighter.
Love from New Zealand.
Whoa.
India and Sweden. Come over to America. Size ko na yung big cake. Mamaya na. Gagawin ko ba yung trend?
Ano yung trend?
Ano nga yun? Ay, hindi. Sisindihan ko na pala. Gagawin ko muna yung trend. How are you guys? We're doing great.
Kukulaps na siya.
Great! Great!
Yes, Emily family.
Open gifts. Nasa dorm po yung gifts na
Oh, hello, wings.
Wala daw, lighter.
Hindi ko
Yes.
Please say my name by Dave. Germany. Happy birthday from Germany. How do I say
Oh,
it?
Dankeschön.
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 Kasama niya.
Stabil na.
Istabil. Ano ba istabil?
Solid.
Solid.
Stabil na.
Solid.
Hola, Portugal. Greetings from
Portugal,
Colombia.
Dos Tres.
Where my fellow people at? Oh no!
Ay, drop sa'yo.
Oh no! Okay lang.
Hey,
Can
Yasmin.
someone bring a lighter?
Yeah. Send your address.
You just put that in here.
Ay, pwede kong
Isa
spin
lang
na
ang
yan.
iPhone.
Meron ba tayo chopstick?
Ayun, kamusta mo na?
Meron.
Chopstick?
Kamay na lang.
Game.
Paano yung culture natin? Grabe.
DBH that. DBH that.
Paus.
Whose birthday is it?
That.
Oh,
That. I mean that.
It's his birthday.
That.
Oh,
Whoa, let's
Dad's
go.
Birthday.
Yeah.
No. You have to, improvise. It's like Job's birthday.
Wala ako na.
Namaste.
Namaste. Light a candle with this. Haha. Fire emoji. Okay.
I think
I think this is pre-recorded.
Pre-
bro.
Yeah, I think
Recorded?
it's pre-recorded.
Why? I'm born in 2013. Can I be your friend? You can be my daughter. Dad, pa-birthday mo na sa amin, come back please.
Let's blow your cake! Ayan na, meron tayo. Game. Mag-wish ka muna. Wait! Hold the cake. Sabihin ko pag blow na. Okay, make a wish, make a wish.
Di ba
Ay, kakanta muna.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish.
Let's go. Mag-comeback na po kami.
Yay! Okay, blow your candle. Wait lang. Game. Wow! Happy birthday, Dad!
Let's eat. Kind of.
Happy birthday, Dad.
Let's go!
Happy birthday, Dad.
Happy birthday, Dad!
Ito muna kayo namin. Ito pang trend ko kasi namin to. Sa trend ko namin siya gawin naman.
Pero ubos na yung time niya.
Hindi kita. Let's eat. Oh, we also have some pizza.
Pizza.
Itong cake na to, this is from our fan. Sila ang lagi nagbibigay ng gifts na crochet, things, drawing. This one is from our manager, di ba?
Yeah.
This one from the company. And this one from my TTO. Galing Tito.
Hey! Thank you,
Galing
Tito!
kay
Thank you, Tito.
Shout out Tito.
Thank you.
Yeah, let's eat. Oh, ayun na tayo. While they're eating, I'm gonna read some comments. The cake looks so delicious. Let's ka lang, hindi pa natin try. That pizza is huge! That is.
DBH that.
Hashtag DBH that. I want that pizza too.
Can you please do namaste?
Namaste! Do we have fans from India?
Sabi ni Alisandra, hope nagustuhan mo ang regalo ko.
Wait lang, hindi ko ba nabuksan guys?
Siya daw yung regalo. So, bubuksan ko siya.
Buksan kita nak.
Oh yeah, medio hambre. Hello from Turkey. Whoa! Please say marhaba. Marhaba.
Turkey.
Mahaba.
Marhaba.
Benson Severin.
Mahaba
Ano yun?
is long.
Ano yun?
Hello.
I love you.
I think marhaba. It's like greetings in Arabic.
Oh, mahaba.
Marhaba. Hey, parang ako magbabalag dyan.
Wag na nga. Basta ng dami.
What is red malus?
Ano?
Red malus?
Kung ano kayo?
Oh, red mal Deutsch.
Deutsch?
Oh, red mal Deutsch. It means speak.
German.
Oh.
Go.
We have German
Here.
professional speaking here.
Ayun po ito.
German.
Stabil.
Istabil
Bruta.
makbuta.
Pwede ba yun?
Yeah.
Butter.
Oh, water.
Ah, Yeah, ishtabi.
So we like, malalaman na yan. What flavor is the cake? I think it's... What nga?
Vanilla.
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 That's a chocolate. Cakes by Aliana. Wow. Number? Mamaya pipicture ang cake. Daming details. May pictures pa.
And
Ayun
ba
na.
yung pictures? Try it. Try it.
Hindi talaga na.
Tatry mo lang.
Sige, try mo. Sige na. Thank you for saying merhaba. Merhaba.
Merhaba.
Mahal din kita. Say mahal kita. Mahal kita.
Sabi ni Belly, say pizza for me. We will.
Ayoko.
Pizza.
Sa amin to.
May akala ko say pizza for
May Shanghai ba dyan, pre? Wala, pre.
talaga.
Wala pa, pre.
Juwang's wifey said, "That is so cute, heart." Hey,
No.
happy birthday.
Yoji. Question for dad. Yun.
Ayun naman yung tatanong, are those photo cards edible?
This photo card?
Edible photo card, bro.
You want to try it?
Swallow,
Dito natin malalaman kung
swallow.
masarap pa ako.
Dapat walang matalis na tito lang.
Dito talaga, guys.
Dripping share.
Ang sarap. A balloon drop. Oh. Okay lang yan. Doesn't matter. Lalasag naman. Hala, ang cute ng mga t-shirt nyo.
Wow! Pero pag tumalikod kami, it's cuter. It's that! Wow!
Galing to sa admins. This is from my admins. Shout out to TTO.
Oh! Tomorrow is, Eid Mubarak.
Muslim.
Yeah. I don't know. But in Malaysia, tomorrow,
Tagalog time daw nila.
Eid Mubarak. Can you, salamat Hari Raya.
Salamat, Hari Raya.
Salamat Hari Raya.
Merch drop one. When we come back. Anong gusto niyo merch? Photo cards? Whatever. Say hi to Brazil. Hola.
Brazil.
Hola ba?
I think.
How many years do you have? Ay. Hello. Okay, the shirts are amazing. I need. Do you guys want?
There's bear.
Okay. This is not for sale. This goes on sale at the Albion Deal. Happy birthday, pre! Shout out. Hi, Crazily.
How's the cake?
It's okay. Okay lang ba yung cake?
Hindi ko pa din right. Haven't tried it yet.
Masarap.
Pizza muna, bago dessert. Di ba hindi sila kumakain ng crust mo? Di ba? Hindi kumakain. Akin na lang. How many languages can you speak? Anong language? Mga anak ko talaga, tingnan nyo binibigay sa akin, oh. Yung poet. Pwenta mo dun.
Pweta na.
How many languages can you speak? Do you speak German?
German,
English?
Tagalog,
Tagalog? Korean? Bicolano?
French, no,
Bunso?
Turkish,
Turkish? A little bit? Bicolano? Arabic?
no. Yes.
No, I
Man,
can't.
We just tried.
No.
We can speak
OMG! Deutschland!
We speak every language for you. Deutschland.
Fuck.
Also wir gönnen uns jetzt eine Pizza.
Pizza?
Ishtabi.
Boy,
We're
mashallah.
eating pizza,
Yeah.
cake,
Hey!
I'm gonna teach you in German.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna learn that.
Yeah, how
Interested ako sa German. Me. German. Language. Ano masasabi, Ano masasabi mo sa birthday gift? Laroshima. Dad, literally.
Ay, ano? Dahil hindi ba?
Can you say skibidi toilet if you're real?
Oh, skibidi toilet.
Skibidi toilet.
Skibidi toilet, my boy.
Say my boy.
Anong yun?
Nothing.
Sherlock Holmes. So fantastic.
But no?
Okay, we should get the pizza. We should get the pizza direct.
Speak French, my boy.
Speak French. Je m'appelle Dan. My name is Dan.
Kala ko you love that.
No!
No!
I love you.
No!
Kiss nga, kiss nga.
Kiss. Cute niya, may kumukha siyang...
Okay, next question. Why black and white balloon?
Balloon.
Balon?
Sabi balloon. Balloon.
Balon. Wala lang.
Balon?
Trippings.
Balong.
I think he's from Turkey.
Balon.
Yung nagtanong ng
I love the shirt. Wow! Woo!
Thank you, Tito.
Coupling, Tito. Thank you, Tito.
First good day.
Have a good
Kaya nabubuhay ang
Well?
mga winning.
Eid Mubarak!
Ang sarap ng pizza,
Oh.
guys.
Very dirty.
Ah.
Dankeschön, dankeschön. You say dankeschön.
Sarap din ng cake.
Love from Sri Lanka.
Ooh, friend from Sri Lanka. I'm from Egypt. Ooh. I wanna see the pyramids. Pwede ba ako kaya? Ano yung no? Ano kasi mundok?
Mundo.
Mundok.
Baka gusto mo giniling na. Pakitaan mo ng giniling tag.
Gusto yung mang giniling. Ang dami na nga eh. Love from India.
Oh! Cup or beanie merch next time.
Uy!
Hindi ko yun. Cup or beanie.
Goods.
Tapos nakalagay dun sa ano, new weed.
Ooh. Good. Or molded. Ang training.
Miguel is here. How are you?
Sunod.
Miguel's bestie. Miguel's euch. Meine Damen und Herren,
Pizza, masikat ka. Ako Marcel.
we're gonna have to learn every language. we speak every language for you guys.
Yeah. I'm trying to learn. Shout out sa mga giniling dyan. Ayan, smacking. Ito. How to pronounce new ID?
New Eid.
Yeah, new ID. New ID.
Every time when I hear new Eid,
It hurts.
Hurts my brain.
Gusto yung
Kasi
weed
pizza.
ka.
Oh my.
Kaya itulog na.
No.
Speaking of Tonyo, kanina ako ni ang cute ni Wilson. Because we're playing Ikaw.
Ikaw.
Tapos siya, ano yun?
Ano siya?
Sinasabi niya lahat in English tapos duduktan niya na Ikaw.
Ikaw.
I'm washing the dishes, Ikaw.
Uri afam. How does the cake taste, guys? This one's good. Hindi pa namin na-try. Should we try it? Chocolate daw.
Yung chocolate.
Go na, get na. Ano?
The pizza is on the midst of the
Cake. Nakang... Mabago ka ba?
Bakit bawal? Ano?
Ah, hindi.
Pwede yan, pwede yan.
Hindi na ito kwintas eh. Diba? May di ba kayo magsuot ng kwintas, guys? Or rings? Or any jewelry? Wala lang. Ako na ko lang. Oh! Saan? Diba? Ano ba itong mocha pa nila?
Pwede ko ba nila?
Vanilla.
Ooh!
Sarap!
It's the best.
Ay, kain pa ng beer. Frosted siya.
Lasa siyang vanilla na ano,
Ah.
fudgy bar.
Fudge bar. Over sa sarap. Over sa saya.
Hey!
Fudge bar.
You're Ryan back
Ryan
and
back
you're
and
watching New Eid X
Oh.
Fudgy Bar.
Happy birthday, thank you! Thank you, Pikes. Eid Mubarak.
Mmm.
Ano ko kayo, are you able to speak Irish? Can you? It's like similar, di ba?
Sarap yung
Not
chocolate.
even a little bit.
No.
Please scream if you see this. Ma!
Nararamdaman ka namin, ha?
Ah.
Job, your hair and you look wonderful today.
Hey!
Thank you po.
Sarap na sa gitna.
Pop tart.
Sarap na yung chocolate.
Sarap! Happy birthday, Dad. Nood kayo ulit ng UAAP.
Ay,
Yeah!
ako. Baka si yung school eh.
Si Sir. Sige po, mananood po ulit kami sa semifinals. Kapag nandun yung school na nire-road namin. Actually, kahit wala. What present did you get? Wala po, hindi ko pa po nabubuksan. I haven't opened it yet.
But,
But what?
the real question is, what present do you want to get?
What present do I want to get? Come back.
Hey!
Yeah.
Hey!
Hey,
Let's go.
Ayaw.
Oh no, you. Why is that thumbs up? No, thumbs up. Needs to see the face. Okay, it's not working.
Bakit dito lalabas? Diba?
No, just
Nakulay na ako sa class.
Sabi sa'yo, wala dati.
Puro kasi class hindi mo nila sa akin kasi. What event is April 5? Anong alam mo?
No, it's
Alam
already
niya
out.
po, na-post niya yun.
Ah, eh?
Yeah.
Ano hindi ko?
Doon po kayo sa Las Piñas po yun.
Yes,
Sa
SM Las Piñas.
Let's go!
Together with other people groups.
Let's come!
Together and watch us. Yes.
SM Mall of Las Piñas.
Let's come together. Let's
Yes.
come together.
And watch us. And yeah.
Yeah, watch us and come live.
Can you speak Can you speak Korean?
Hey, joke
Yeah.
lang na Leo, we're checking the mail.
Oh, sorry.
Can you all wave, please? Wave. Wave na. Dapat tayong drinks dyan na.
Water.
Water lang.
Okay, one. And
Value. Meron ba?
and
Wait lang guys ah.
or water.
Water.
Energy drink.
Talk. You can do it.
Guys, wala abang umano sila ng ano. Joke lang daw, sabi.
Ba't yun yung magsalita?
Kapag na naman, dapat na ako ganyan pa yun eh. Diba? Guys, mabuha dyan na lang ng tubig. Mabuha sila ng...
What is your favorite new Eid song? Yung hindi ka comeback. Ay, meron ba? Woo!
Sample.
Pabili mo ng ginili.
Hello from Uruguay. Hello. Red Bull
Are we
Kids.
allowed to drink? It? Well,
Is it zero?
It's okay, it's from Austria, it's okay. It's from Austria, it's okay.
This one?
Yeah.
How really? Can you say bonzo? Bonzo.
Since it's your birthday, do a joke. Now, let's go, Dad! Happy birthday! Let's go!
Let's go, Dad.
Di ba ba egil natin
Dad, let's go, Dad.
Dad, ama na kayo. Dad. Alright, I'm new here if possible. Can you guys introduce yourselves? Wait lang, wala isa. Wait lang po. Yan si Manyang.
1 second.
3, 2,
Sorry, New, what's up?
This is
New Eid.
Hello.
Yo, my name is John.
Hello, my name is Dan.
Hello, I'm El.
Hi, I'm Wilson.
Maki.
We are New Eid. Yan ang-
Yay!
It's not new ID. It's new Eid. Babalik po kayo sa Tarlac. Ang dami talaga nagre-request ng Tarlac. Today's
Eid.
Eid.
I think it's trying
Eid.
to say Eid. Yeah, Eid Mubarak.
Eid mo ba? Ano ba?
Hey, my favorite group.
After Ramadan, there's this long holiday. Smell like almost, or like almost for.
Almost done.
Sino gusto mong tubig? Go.
Gulo, gulo.
I don't know how to say what you're saying, but happy birthday. Thank you. Oh!
Ano naman ba?
Bakit?
Huh?
Mamigay kayo ng
No.
Huh?
Mochi?
Mochi? Mo. Where? Asan Valenzuela? Sa'yo dun. Grabe yung daming tao dun sa Valenzuela.
I knew.
May pizza pa. Busog na kayo. Busog na. Busog lang. Busog. Long. Ano? Love live. Marry me, Maki. Ha? Pwede ba yun?
Who is the Muslim here?
Here?
We don't have any.
Yeah, there's nothing. Stop, so handsome. What's the most raised?
What's the most raised?
Wilson.
Yeah, Wilson.
That Wilson is the most
Wilson.
I think that because
raised.
he has Tita Riz.
That's what I'm saying.
Nagjo-joke pala siya. Happy birthday. Thank you, Almanac. Can you say hi to Iran?
Hi Iran, hi Iran. But that's a country. Right?
Yeah, it's a country.
Oh! Dad, do you know Derek
Derek
from
from
GAT?
Of course. Ano siya? Senior high school friend. JP. Derek, if you're watching. I know you're not.
Darling,
darling.
Hey, darling, darling.
Can you guys post? I want to make a pic of you guys because I need to go.
Ah.
I want you to go. Where do you need to go?
Okay, go na. Bye-bye. Say hi, Monica.
Stay safe. Stay
Monica,
safe.
hi, Monica.
Stay safe, my heart.
Where's the most chaotic? In terms of
It's
what?
either drum or tag. Chaotic.
Yeah.
Ano ba yun?
Like,
Sabog.
Like, yeah, like.
Si Jun.
because he's the youngest.
Jom, and
The youngest. I'm still waiting for it. What?
Already good.
Siya ba yun?
No, it's a different.
I think the guy in black is handsome.
We're all wearing black. What the heck?
Plastic man,
Bombastic style. Bombastic style.
Hello Wilson, I'm Jaylene.
Hi, Jaylene.
Jaylene.
Hi, Jaylene.
Can you all tour in India? Pwede sa Philippines muna, wait lang. Okay. Do you guys support any idols too? Of course.
Yes.
K-pop. K-pop rise. K-pop.
K-pop rice.
K-pop rise.
Which do you prefer? Pirate, ninja, or cowboy?
Pirate. Para free yung movie.
What again?
No!
Pirate, ninja, or
Heck
cowboy?
is... No to piracy.
Ako ninja.
Ano yun?
Ninja Turtles, baby.
I go for pirate because of One Piece.
Nice.
Ano yung choices? Cowboy.
Cowboy.
I want cowboy because I love Toy Story. And I love Woody. Woody!
Woody Andy. Buzz Lightyear. Do you guys have a matching shirt on?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is
I feel
for my
like
birthday merch.
the right way to wear it is like this. Because guys, look at the design. Oh, it's that!
Imagine wearing this every day.
Imagine wearing it outside.
Okay.
Hey!
Nabasag po ba si John?
I'm gonna wear it like this. So they can see your face.
Hello?
Hey!
Okay lang ba John? Kasi may comment back your hands.
Talo. Talo siya, I never give up.
Never don't give up.
Never don't give up. You guys watch ang Mutya ng Sexual P?
I do! Ito, number 1.
Sinisigaw talaga ako dun. Anong ship niyo dun? A whole group of fine shits.
T-shirt. Cute ng t-shirt nyo.
Fine t-shirts. Yeah.
Fine shirts, yes.
Thank you po.
Thank you, TTO.
Minaw.
Yeah. Git.
Eh, sino ba yung gitna?
Saan yung gitna?
See you.
Wait.
See you guys April 5.
See you. I'm gonna be very honest. I really want you guys to succeed. I really hope to see you shine.
Thank you, SA117.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Saul.
Gusto ko mag-joke ng marami.
It keeps pausing. Makasabay pa mo yun, Ben.
Isang Sigma boy naman dyan. Dad.
Hey, masingan boys. Boy. Hey.
Lagyan niya na lang ng sound.
Do you guys ever come to Austria?
Of course! Wilson, mahuwi sa amin.
Of course.
He's gonna come to us.
I'm gonna bring them to Austria.
Yeah.
Germany also. Switzerland also.
If if we have more videos na German, that will go up.
Tumawala ka sa break.
We will go to Germany. Ay, to Vienna.
Before we
Tapos
go-
yung i-perform namin.
Yung TikToks lang.
I'm from India. Dami naman Indian. Thank you for everything you do.
Thank you, twerking.
Thank you, SMT.
Jumping.
Thank you, man, to the komentaran. I don't understand.
Hi, Himi.
Hi, Amy.
Hi, Amy.
Himi.
Hindi also, yo. First world tour, Germany agad.
Hey.
Hey. Kaya na ni Wilson yan.
You don't have to talk to
Yeah.
That's good. First thing we're gonna
Can
do.
you say, Saya Salamat Hari Raya?
Hey.
Saya Salamat Hari
Hari
Raya.
Raya.
Ano ba yun?
I feel like that's from
Boba.
no
Malaysia.
yeah.
Happy birthday, Ninong Jay Dunoa. Uy, yung naano ko na loko, ilang na. Comeback song spoiler, kahit melody lang po. Please. Yung whistle.
That's a lot already.
Binagyan niya yung shirt.
Parang ito yung design. Mas maraming design sa likod eh.
Amazing day. New days are blessed to have you guys.
Thank you, you
We're
guys.
blessed to have you, New Days. Te amo from Brazil.
Te amo, te amo.
amo.
King never cry.
Send motivation to sa'yo.
Are you okay though?
Bakit?
It's so silent.
He's having food coma.
Good call mo. Happy birthday, baby ko.
Hey!
Whoa! Hi.
Kumain ka na lang.
Nagkaon ka na. Nagkaon ka na, love. Cute ni Maki at Elsa. Ay, ni...
Cute ni Joe.
Joe at Maki sa likod.
Thank you po.
Hi, Gemma.
Hi, Gemma.
Hi, Gemma.
Kima.
Abay ko pinaka-pikwa. May 5 cookies.
Hi, cookies.
I'm a cookie.
We're all cookies.
We're all cookies.
Love you, cookie.
We love you so much,
We
cookies.
love cookies.
Because you guys are
Yeah, you guys are cookies.
We love you guys.
We love
We love
cookies.
I
Yeah,
love
we love
cookies.
Love your cookies.
First time here, Filipino? Opo.
Face reveal.
Ito.
Wow.
Face reveal.
Face reveal. Sige. I'm sad hindi mo ako pinapansin. Enra. The Turber.
Hi, Hijig.
Kijik. You're cute cookies. Yeah. Cute cookie.
Isang daling-dali-dalis po.
Meron?
1, 2, 3, eh! Daling-dali! Bomba! Daling-dali! Bomba! Bomba! Alam ko bomba yun!
Hype pa.
Hype pa.
Hair color suggestion.
Red.
Blonde. Ash blonde. Brown?
Yeah, I want brown.
This suggestion na saan?
Say na brown, yes.
Pink.
Ganda din.
Well, Jimmy.
Song? What song? OMG, that's beat. That's... Sino sa that's? Are you guys thinking of dyeing your hair?
Mamatay na siya eh, so dahil...
Why you skip
Galing! Woo!
Why you skip my comment? What was your comment?
It's me, Lee Sarah Felix.
Sarah.
Sarah. Sorry. Sarah. Bye-bye, gotta go. Bye-bye. Will you guys wear wigs?
Of course, why not?
Huwag na, kalbo na. You guys would suit red as hair color.
All of us, sabay-sabay.
Sayang yun. Ayun na, okay.
Good camera.
Wilson! Sabihin mo kung bak.
Mondok.
Kung
Mondok.
pwedeng Korean siya. Would you ever go bald?
Yeah.
I think I'm bald. Pero,
I would go for it.
Ba't ka naman kayo?
hindi siya. Dad, can you play rock, paper, scissors with me? Hmm?
Geometry.
Mamaya doon na siya.
Hindi na siya mahinga. Ano na?
Das pineapple, but
Hallo jemand was ja hier.
Yeah.
5 Deutsche.
Jemand.
Wir sind Deutsch.
stabil.
Wir sind Deutsch. Stabil unterwegs.
You should give some pizza.
Was the pizza good? Yes. Pero it's cold. Happy birthday from Brazil.
Hello, kakalagyan ko lang sino may birthday.
Hamster? Na-trauma ako ng ano. Nagka-hamster ako. Namatay siya.
Kasi 2 years lang sila eh.
Okay.
May umatouch sa hamster tsaka rabbit. Oo. Mga rodents. Panghatang pizza din. Panghatang.
Ang hatang.
Ano yun? What flavor cake is that? This one's vanilla. Ito chocolate. Ito.
Kahit hindi nila nakikita.
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Ito ay vanilla.
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 So,
Sarap po. What time is it for you? It's almost 3 a.m. for me. Holy. It's 9:51. Sports.
So Sportsfreunde.
Ano yun?
Sportsfreunde.
Sports.
Ano yun?
I don't even know how to explain that.
What?
Can't even explain it. It's just
Slime?
funny. Yeah, it's just funny. Sportsfreunde. Beruhigt euch, meine Sportsfreunde.
All of you name, please.
Dapat lalagyan tayo dito ng name tag. Ano galit?
My name is Tad. T-H-A-D.
it's his birthday.
It's my birthday. What's your favorite character in ang Matinang section? Bawal. Yung friend ka na lang. Tad, it's happy birthday. Thank you, Don. Nasa Pinas ba kayo, RN?
Arnie.
Wala po kami sa Pinas.
Wala po kami sa Pinas. Nasa QC po.
Hindi joke siya guys.
Hindi ako tahimik eh.
You are my favorite band. Hey. Drummer.
Oh, it's cute.
Ampersand 1.
Wala. Tara.
Ang bilis na.
Good luck on your
Good luck
exam.
po.
Good luck.
Guys, the balloon is almost falling in here. Yaman na. Red Bull for energy. Yeah, walang matutulog. Hi, Malaysia. Bali pala si John.
Hey!
You guys are so talented. Yeah.
Buti na lang hindi late si Tan ngayon. Eh, birthday ko.
Pag-delete pa nga yan.
Pag nalito
Tayo yung nag-live pa sa birthday.
What's your favorite movie?
Ako ano?
Ano?
The Greatest Showman?
I like Rush Hour.
About time ako, about time.
Rush Hour. Or Train to Busan.
The Opa is... Ano nga? Nag-comment si The Opa is live. Kilala niyo ito?
Opa is live.
Opa is live? Yeah.
Andun siya?
Andito sa live. Hello po!
Di ba siya
Hello po.
siya sa dance?
Nagpo-post siya ng pictures na sila. Favorite Maki song?
I like Matt.
Ghost.
Lumaki ba?
Ay,
Kailan ako?
Maganda yung
Saan?
bughaw at saka
akin ano?
nanumula.
Ano tawag yun?
Hala na kayo matungtong yun. Kantahin na na.
Hindi.
Para hulaan namin.
Hindi. Pati nga melody ko naman.
At hindi mo siya favorite.
Hindi, narinig ko ng kanta eh. Tapos na-enjoy ko sa lyrics. Kalimutan ko. They're my husbands.
Yeah.
No.
Saan daw yung next performance?
Next performance? Ano ba yun?
Bawal pa sabihin.
Baka
But
sabihin.
Pero yung pwede kayo manood sa April 5,
April 5.
Las Piñas.
SM yun, di ba? SM Las Piñas.
SM Las Piñas.
but before April 5, meron.
There's gonna be more.
But secret muna.
But, meron.
But can be posted.
Ayun ba yun sa ano?
Easy. Can you send me your cap? Yeah.
This cup. This cup. This cap.
This cap.
Merong ghost
This
yun.
cap. This cap.
May ghost siya.
Pen shop eh.
What? Maybe. It could be pen shop.
Could be pen shop. Next song's when?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, sige.
Tomorrow sabihin na.
Oo, tama.
Kung kailan.
Tama.
Kung kailan, yes.
Pauwi na kami. Bye-bye muna. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Ingat.
Nandun pa
Ingat.
ka kanina?
Ingat kayo.
Thank you, ingat.
Tagaan. Cats or dogs? Cats.
Cats.
Parehas ako.
Me too. But I like cats more.
Cats, dogs.
Even though I have a dog. Oo. Why two of them are standing?
And because they're being punished right now.
Para bumaba na yung pagkain.
But puro English to.
They were using their phone during practice.
You guys are so handsome, my mom agrees.
Wow.
Wow,
Thank
tita.
you, Mom.
Thank you, Mama. Mama, thank you.
Thanks,
Mom.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Mom.
I'm waiting for your album, guys.
We're also waiting too,
We're also
eh.
waiting for those. Kailan ba?
Cake or bake? Cake.
Bake.
Summer or winter?
Wala. If you want cake or
Winter,
bake.
no, summer.
Cake.
Summer or winter daw?
Puro summer lang tayo dito sa Pinas. Init.
Autumn, actually.
Kailan comeback mo?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow namin sasabihin.
Ano ba? Ano pong mga suggestion? Ayan, si Riza. Bansinin mo. Ayan.
Riza, hello! Nagtatampo na siya. Riza 0225.
Oh no, thank you.
Hi, Riza.
Thank you, Riza.
Shall we play
Thank you,
this or
Riza.
that? This or that?
Sweet or sour? Sour.
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 Maasim.
Maasim.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee!
Coffee.
This or that.
This.
Oh,
Actually, tea, bro.
your cup looks like Yeonjun.
Basahin. Yeonjun.
Ay, yung dyan name.
Yeonjun.
Worship mo!
Worship
mo! Paliw sa'yo. Nasaan na yung this or that niya? Give it a
Nasaan
pizza
ba?
slice. Huh? Rice and cha-cha.
Sample na sample.
Hey!
Ay, sinayo ko doon na elementary. Kuya, yung kanta niyo, The Day We Meet Again, sinayaw ko sa school namin.
Hey!
Oh,
Sige po.
You dance to it? Ano ito?
Kami nga di nga sumasayaw.
Oo nga.
Secret hideout from Neo. We see you coming. What is your comment?
What's your comment?
I don't see it.
Any plans for April Fools?
Ay, perfect snow.
Kailan ba? Kailan ba siya statement?
Sanay pa yun.
Huwag na. Lagi naman naglulukuhan.
Happy birthday, our Happy birthday, our favorite Poki. Would you mind saying happy birthday to me?
Ramadan
Oh,
Mubarak.
birthday. Asan?
Ramadan. It's Ramadan.
Ramadan.
Can you say Ramadan Mubarak? Ramadan Mubarak.
Yun yung may fasting.
Yes.
It's
Black or white?
white.
Parehas.
Rainbow.
Black.
I love all the colors.
Wilson, warum ignorierst du mich? Ignoriere dich nicht, Michelle. Was habe ich? Ich habe deinen Namen nicht
Mismo daw siya.
Happy
She said,
birthday.
I'm ignoring your message.
Wish you happiness.
I didn't see. I saw it.
Mine sa naka-black.
You're so cute. Come on, say it. 5 cigars. 5 cookies.
Chocolate or vanilla? Chocolate or vanilla?
Vanilla,
Vanilla.
vanilla, vanilla.
Chocolate.
Choco.
Vanilla, vanilla.
Day or night?
Night.
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 But they make so tired.
Oo nga. Sino
So
man sleep?
tired.
Hi, Terry!
Oh, baby.
Terry.
Chocolate. Chocolate or ice cream?
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ice cream
Ice
on
cream.
top. Ice cream on top.
Yeah.
No, cherry on top.
Cherry on top.
Ay,
Amo. Sleep or dance?
Eid yun. Tomorrow is Eid. Tomorrow is Eid. Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak.
Dad, I remember you saw some of my stories some months ago. Just tag me. I review all of them. Ghost or ER?
ER.
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 Deja vu. Deja vu.
Ghost.
Ghost.
To perform or to listen to?
Yeah. It's
What?
too different.
Yeah, it's different for us. The Day We Meet Again or ER?
You guys know Stray Kids? Of course we know Stray
Yeah,
Kids!
of course, Stray Kids.
Two.
Bang Chan, if you're watching.
You're the best.
Pre.
Listen.
Round eyes or chinita? Round eyes.
Desert or ocean?
Ocean.
Ocean?
What?
Desert. Kasi mahilig ako sa sweets eh.
Oh, ocean.
Desert. Yes, Stray Kids, yes!
Stray Kids.
Chick, chick, boom!
Stray Kids domination.
Hey.
Boom, boom, chak, chak, chak.
Hindi na true.
Bernardo Ghost, kaya pansinin niyo ako.
Hey.
Arnea from Bataan. What's up, Arnea?
What's up?
Sino ba sa Stray Kids?
Ano ba kung saan ako talaga?
Ako, Eugene.
Eugene.
Banchan also.
Sino ba? Si IN.
Felix is also cool.
IN. Ano ba yun?
Maniac.
Si Jongmin ba yun? Si Jongmin.
Pizza or hamburger?
Hamburger.
I go for pizza.
Burger.
Burger.
Beach or pool?
I like
Pool. Beach.
Beach.
Pero, yung
Like
beach,
beaches.
malalagyan ng...
Stop, bitch!
Kasi yung beach malalagyan ng sand yung loob ng shorts. So, Mas gusto ko pool.
Yeah, that's what I also hate.
Yeah.
Love the sand, but beach is more aesthetic. Like
Yeah,
it's
sure.
more like ooh.
I like nature.
Nature.
I love nature, baby.
Beach or ilog?
Bitch.
Beach or ilog?
Bitch.
I like
Ilog.
Like bitch.
Pero ang lamig kasi sa ilog. So,
Depende.
beach.
Depende.
Ah.
Tahimik ng boys, oh.
No. You guys like Itzy? Itzy!
Yeah, Itzy.
Leia's may bias.
Eugene.
Eugene.
Cherry yung...
Please do a collaboration with Stray Kids. Sure.
Sure.
Yeah, small thing. Small thing.
Kakontakin na
Yeah.
Message
Chat namin sila.
Sun or moon?
Baby, oh, mason.
Moon. Moon.
Yeah, moon.
Moon.
We sun.
Not shy. Not me. Good taste. What? Ano favorite flowers nyo? Obvious ba? Sunflower. Rose.
Sampagi.
Ano? Rose.
Ano kaya ako? Ano kaya yun?
Ano nga?
Ano tayo?
Si John feeling ko ano?
Reflex.
Reflex siya.
Water lily.
Nakikita sa ano.
Diba? Oy, Maria!
Oy, Maria!
Oy, Maria!
Bakit Italian yung ano?
Ay.
Kahit Brazil talaga.
Camping or hotel?
Camping.
No, but...
Camping.
Yeah, camping. Bro, I wanna go
Kubutin
camping.
mo
Yeah,
kasi
camping.
may makeup din.
Bro, camping is so fun, bro.
Ano yung mga makeup sila? Do you know Velocity Trend? Yeah, what song?
Ilang two.
True.
Ah!
Oo, okay.
Ano yun?
Cauliflower. Si Jam lang cauliflower.
Ano?
Cauliflower. Diba? Nagtatanong ng flower represent.
Ano ba yung cauliflower?
Iba
Iba
broccoli.
white na broccoli.
Ah!
Broccoli? Broccoli.
Broccoli.
Ano sabi? Broccoli.
Broccoli.
Hey Daniel, if you're watching.
Broccoli.
Ano to? T-shirt 좀. T-shirt. 어? 티셔츠 너무 귀여운데. 맞아요. 너무 귀여워. 이게 선물로 받았어요. 팬들한테. Happy birthday, Talpansi.
Do you like Tomorrow X Together? Yes, yes, yes!
Yes!
TXT.
Ask mo ko yung bias ko.
TXT, bro.
Subato.
Subin.
Subin.
Yunjun.
Subinun.
Yunjun.
Don't do. Yan.
41 week.
Kininkay.
Hey.
My birthday was tomorrow. Can you guys wish for me? We wish you comeback,
And
good health.
Merry Christmas. Red lights. Red light.
Red light.
Red light.
Ito.
Red light.
Art or music?
But music is a form of art.
Music is art.
Yeah.
Drawing or music?
Music.
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 Ako yung music. Hindi ako mabubuhay ng walang music.
Oo nga, gumagano ka kasi. Kumakalagin ba ni? Batman or Spider-Man?
Batman!
Batman.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
Batman wrote.
Flower suggestion for graduation. Sampagita.
Sampagi.
Hindi ba sinasabi din? When you graduate.
How do you guys pronounce your name? New Eve.
New Ed in the house!
New Eve.
You bet.
Oh, last kita ko sa inyo sa PUP event pa. When
Oh,
you
PUP.
Ano po?
nakikita.
How do you call yourselves? PUPs?
What is C-dramas?
Bakit?
Ano yung C-drama? K-drama or
C-drama,
Chinese?
drama. Shukai. You guys know Shukai?
K-pop or J-pop?
Meet Your Garden.
Meet Your Garden.
Yung pinakabago.
When sa PH Arena. Teka lang naman. Maganda naman na tayo. Skydome muna.
Yeah, Skydome.
Skydome first. Sold out.
First and then.
Power Rangers or Bioman?
Power Rangers!
Power
Ano
Rangers.
yung fit from Bioman?
Ano ba?
Meron din isa pa ano nga yun?
Wilson Chasengkat.
Kamen Rider.
Oh, ang ganda.
Yeah.
Ano yun?
Ano yun?
Ano yun? I forgot.
Dream course if ever. Film.
Architecture.
Architecture. IT.
Yeah, yes. Oh, there's so many straight kids. Nice.
한국어
So
잘해요.
many states.
아니에요.
Ano yun?
So many states.
So many states. We are straight kids. Straight.
Do you like Enhypen? Brings every JPZ everywhere.
Yeah, nasa wallet ko na. Blackpink or aespa? Oh my god.
Mahirap na tanong
Wait lang, Blackpink kasi OG.
Parehas.
aespa, chills it.
Puro English na. Do you like anime?
Ba't
Yeah.
sila?
Yeah, we don't.
I'm currently watching Dr. Stone.
Ako, 86.
So good.
Soul Level. What are
I don't
Ah,
know.
Soul Leveling is
Haikyuu.
especially.
Bro, Haikyuu is great.
Ishiga na Red Bull. Yan dyan na yun. Natsubo.
Natsugo.
I don't know what to do. Ethan, play.
I need.
I need help. Ethan, play.
I need somebody right now.
Fave game.
Favorite game? Mobile Legends.
Game.
Basketball.
Call of Duty.
Ah, sports ba?
Block Blast.
Oh, Block Blast.
Wait, what?
Ano ba?
What game? What
I don't know.
Boxing.
Maybe game kasi kung sports.
Fave, yeah, fave game.
Gunman.
COD.
Yeah, Call of Duty.
Call of Duty.
Gunman.
Gunman.
Ano yun ba?
Roblox.
So wait.
What?
Gunman.
Dress to Impress.
80s or 70s.
Oh, Dress to Impress is good also.
80s or 70s?
Wala, hirap nun.
70s.
Because we have
80s.
an 80s fan
So-
outside and
Yeah,
a
80s.
17 fan outside.
Yeah.
Horror or romance?
Horror!
Horror.
Romance.
Horror. Hey. Horror.
Romantic
What's
boy.
What's the other one? What's the other one?
Horror.
Ah, that's why. Ah!
Horror. Suspect. Tagal na nun.
Sports or video
Roblox
games?
or Minecraft? Ay, sorry.
Minecraft.
Sorry, Roblox is
Minecraft.
Roblox is goated, but Minecraft.
What's my record? Oh.
Ano yun?
Sports or video games?
Yo, there will be a Minecraft
Sports.
movie.
My record
Oh,
is
I know.
500,000, I think.
Sports.
Sport.
Yeah.
I love your music so much. You're talented guys and vocals are chef's kiss.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Books or movies?
Movies.
Movies.
Yes.
I'll buy the book and then I'll watch the movie.
Y'all met K-pop idols. One time when I was going to work, going to the company, I saw...
Pwede ba?
No, bawal. Basta someone from Stacy. I saw someone from Stacy.
And I saw D.O.
Ah!
They also saw Nancy Sunday.
Oh yeah.
Near the company.
Oh yeah.
And
Chewy,
something.
something.
I also but I also saw someone from Unis.
Eunice.
Oh yeah.
Sabi ni Joe.
Eunice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Eunice.
3 of them. I saw
Guys,
three of
I
them.
saw Jungkook when I went to see
yeah.
when I went to see you. I was like, oh my god, yo, bro!
See
But I
you.
forgot my phone. Oh,
OMG Kyungsu. March. Yeah, we saw it.
Musta PBA experience nyo?
Hindi kami kinabahan, legit.
Cool.
Kinabahan ba?
Hindi ko nga alam, hindi ko siya na-feel.
Hindi.
I mean, hindi ko, parang bilis na nangyari. Oh,
Yeah.
Mabilis kasi talaga.
Tapos, ang sa mag-perform kasi hindi madulas.
Ah, true.
Like yun yung
Ang kapit.
stage na hindi pinaka makakapit.
Chill lang, chill.
You're wearing sneakers din. Kaya,
Bawal din kasi hindi rubbers. Do you know Ahok? Yes, of course.
Yes,
JL,
hello
Steven.
JL.
Zion, Chihen.
Steven. Yum, yum, yum.
Did y'all hear about the earthquake in
Si
Bangkok?
Tenten ba to?
Yeah.
Meow.
Sinigang or dancing.
Sinigang.
Sinigang.
Dancing.
guys, you are frozen. My eyes are praying.
It's my first time joining your live. That guy with long hair is have cool hairstyle.
Ooh.
Will you ever be in Czech Republic?
I was there.
Oh, really?
What did you do there? My friend. What a long
Ah.
time ago.
Do you guys use any
Skincare.
skincare?
Of course,
Face
we're
Face
Republic.
Face Republic.
Meron ka?
Wala. Facebook province.
City?
Go.
City or province?
City.
Province.
City boy!
Province. Alam, depende.
City boy!
Yeah, it depends.
City
Depends.
boy!
Depends. And it's rainy, I wanna go to the province. City boy.
City boy!
Who should be my bias? No, lahat.
25.
45. 5 or... Gawa tayo ng ganun.
Twerking
8
dolphin.
hanggang dulo, 5.
Twerking dolphin.
That's a good
5, walang duda. Huh? Ano? Hirap. New Id or New Id?
Newbie.
I think new.
New Id or New ID?
For me, it's new.
Edwin.
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 8 months na si Edwin. What is the next song?
Tomorrow,
We watch Thailand dramas. Sometimes. New Id or Edwin? Edwin.
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 Edwin. Ooh.
Hey. Favorite and hypen song? 10 months.
It's really hard. They have so many good songs.
Edwin the best.
Ajayu. After no event ng PUP, we start to learn about you guys. Tapos I found out na same kami ni John na
Hey!
Ay, wait.
meant to be. Necklace or earrings? Both.
Earrings.
Earrings.
Pwede naman indoors pa rin.
Earrings.
Pwede rin may watch.
Pwede naman yung watch.
Underwear also. Underwear.
Underwear. Wait lang. Wait lang. Wait lang. Good job.
Hands up, hands up.
Good job.
Yeah.
Good job.
Piercing.
Have you all watched Section B? Yes, I do. Cut the cake. We don't cut. We use chopsticks. Charan. Charan. Last 5 minutes, people.
Rings or bracelets?
Rings.
Rings.
Bracelet.
Rings.
Rings.
Rings. Rings.
Favorite anime.
It's so hard. There's so
Yeah.
many good animes, bro.
Silver or gold? Silver.
Silver.
Favorite animes?
Ooh.
Black Clover.
Yeah, Black Clover is so good. Really, it's really so good. Black Clover. No, really. No, it takes so long. It takes so long to finish. It takes so long to finish it.
Yeah.
Mapukis, do world tour ASAP. Philippine tour mo.
Comeback muna.
Tama mo na?
Comeback muna.
Yes. Demon Slayer?
Oh,
Yeah, Demon Slayer.
Ah.
Black Clover, Demon Slayer.
Are you guys a K-pop group?
Or Jujutsu Kaisen is also good.
AOT.
That's
Oh,
group.
it's a concept also.
Favorite style? What style?
JBL.
John?
Yung sinabi natin sa JBL.
A style?
Gusto ko mohawk. Ayan si Rainbow!
I go Makuga Chulyo Kyota. Nato ka ba?
Sino?
Ikaw daw?
Hindi!
Hindi yo?
Hindi na kayo nagla-live sa TikTok.
Shadow ban kami.
Ba't nandito si Josh? Sorry ah. Sige na, sorry ah. Yung kasi ako eh, pero sige. Sorry sa'yo.
Ka-birthday niyo din po sa Chao.
Kaya pala ako mami!
Malay ko eh. Wow. Winter or summer?
Wow.
Mukha may winter.
But
Rainy,
we
rainy
experienced,
days, rainy days.
we experienced snow in Korea.
Korea.
Oh,
it's so fun.
spring.
Spring. Wala naman sa spring yun. Wala naman choice. Please say thank you sa New Days in Korean. New Day there! Naku sarang eh. Naku kamsamnida.
감사합니다.
대단히
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
사랑합니다.
저희를 많이 응원해주시면 좋겠습니다. 사랑해. Wala, may Japanese.
사랑합니다.
Japanese.
아이시테루.
Baka ano yan, happy birthday.
hindi ko.
Anthony?
Nani?
Masaka.
Nani?
Nani what?
Do you prefer streetwear or elegant style? Depende po sa stylist.
Pen shop po.
Yes, yes.
Anything from Asia.
Can you say something in Spanish?
Hola.
Okay, contigo.
Eh, kailan tayo ipopost yun?
No, sing.
Mga gospels.
Singly. Baggy or skinny jeans?
Saggy.
Jeez.
Last 2 minutes, people!
Let's go.
So, TBH, that video of yours, that what's
Ano to?
your
What's
boy
your boy
group's name, and then y'all were just silent, like, yeah, it's new idea, and we like, okay, good.
Pero yes,
Yes.
maybe.
안녕하세요. 안녕하세요, Kerry C. Say hi to you guys in Mexico.
Hi, New Days! To Hola!
Hola.
Hola.
Kamusta? She said konnichiwa.
She said,
Pardon my French. I said bonjour, madam. Hajima. Anong team niyo sa PBA? Talk and text.
Hinebra.
Kego ko Hajorara? Okay. Happy birthday, Tad. Thank you po. May JPC dyan sa Oh! Sige, mamaya mo po sa ano name niya?
Eli.
Eli? Eh? Wala. Ano wala? Hanapin ko mamaya. Picture time. Yeah, picture time na po! Picture kita. Ha?
I-picture mo na normal.
Normal. Normal po.
ano?
Oops.
Eh!
Game heart na? Heart. Oh.
Wider! Wider!
Wider? Kaya pa ba?
Sige, yan!
Yan.
Tapos ibaba niyo yung iduksong niyo. Yes! Oh! This
Yes.
is the most perfect heart ever!
Wow.
What the heck? Guys, we did it.
We did it, guys.
This-
Thank you for watching.
Biggest
Thank
achievement
you for
ever.
being with me on my birthday. Love
Happy
you so
birthday,
much.
Dad!
Happy birthday, Dad!
Happy birthday, Dad!
Daddy.
Oh!
Daddy, happy birthday, Dad.
Woo!
Hey!
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Pak, ganon! Hey!
Kapal,
Pak, pak,
Kagat my
ganon,
cake.
ganon. Hey, pak!
Kinagat.
Ganon!
Pak, ganon.
Fuck.
Pak ganun.
Hey, end it, end it! Happy birthday, Dad! You're the best!
Thank you. Movie so much.
Sorry much. Fucking sorry.